Having trouble with your Tesco Mobile password reset link? It's a common issue and usually stems from email delivery problems or outdated browser cache. First, check your email's spam or junk folder. Add @tescomobile.com to your email whitelist to ensure future emails arrive in your inbox. If you still don't see it, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, specifically for the Tesco Mobile website. On Chrome, press Ctrl-Shift-Delete or Command-Shift-Delete on Mac, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, and choose All Time for the time range. Restart your browser and try the password reset link again. According to Tesco Mobile, these steps resolve most issues. If you're using two-factor authentication and the reset link isn't working, the problem might be SMS delays or app glitches. First, ensure your phone's date and time are synced correctly. This is crucial for 2FA codes to work properly. If using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, make sure the app is up to date. If SMS codes are delayed, try the backup email option if you set one up. As a last resort, contact Tesco Mobile support for a manual reset. They'll likely require ID verification. If you are in a rural location with poor signal, this could also be the cause. In this case, Tesco Mobile may offer a voice call verification method as an alternative.